Tastes just the same as if it was done on an expensive stove. The question is, do you have to spend a fortune on cook sets? Now, I don't know about you, but me, I lose them, burn them, leave them with food in so long that they're unsalvageable. And I went camping this weekend and I thought I need something light, decent, cheap. Now, not throwaway, because I do want to use it again and again. And I don't want it going to landfill, but I don't want to spend a fortune either, and I don't think you need to. I've used stuff from Poundland that's lasted me years, but I want to have a look at this one. It is the Active Sport 6-piece cook set from the range. It was from the range. I haven't opened it yet. I think this is probably the only bit of camping kit I've ever made at home. I normally just open it as soon as I'm in the car. And in the box it has a little bag. I won't use that. Two tiny little mugs. Two of those. They're really quite sweet. Very light. Two plates, bowls. They're tiny. No, I don't think in all my camping trips I've ever thought I would love a 10cm diameter plate right now. I'll use them for something else. They'll get used. Now, this is what I wanted. This is what I will use. It looks like it's about 500ml capacity. Does it say on it? That is going to be plenty for me. And this, I really liked this. I like the handles. I mean, they look fairly good. Frying pan, main meal pan, water pan, nothing wrong with these at all. £14.99. So I've got two pans that I would definitely use. I'll use that cup. It's probably lighter than my current one. I won't use these. I don't know. They just seem like the most pointless thing ever. Can you cook on it? Let's find out.
Right?
Yeah. Oh look, that's how they used to split the rocks. They're drilling the holes.
Now I see what you
And then
mean,
split them, yeah. So they drill holes all along and then put the wedges in. We're out. You can't see a thing, but the weather's good, a little bit breezy. But we could be in the middle of nowhere, literally. You can see about 15 feet in front of you with the lights on, which is great. I just hope I don't bump into any cows. We found Great Staple Tour. Oh, this is awesome. How on earth did that get up here? It's part of a toilet cartridge. Sheep feed bags. Someone's been living up here. Very cool. Brilliant walk. I don't think you can see it in the background, but we are here. We are at Great Staple Tour.
It's a bit stony around here.
You having issues?
No.
It's a big old beast though, that, isn't it? I'm up on Great Staple Tor. It's really foggy, really beautiful. Never been here before, looking forward to seeing it in the morning. Got a bit of a cold. Reason I wanted to do this video is because I have spent a fortune on different cooking systems and I've camped loads, and I thought to myself, my favourite is my really cheap, really lightweight, £7.95, no frills, it's got a little sparkler on it. I always take a big gas. There we go. Is it going to go first time? Of course it's not. Come on. There we go. Little beauty. I'll flip that one off for a minute, because I have got a windshield. It is quite windy, but I'm quite sheltered here. I don't think I'm going to need it. Again, spent dozens of pounds, too many pounds, on pans and stuff. £14.99 at the range. Going to be perfect. Let's get some water in there. Might need a bit of a windbreak. So we've got chicken and bacon tortellini, Spanish chorizo, and this gorgeous chili cheese. Gonna whack that all together. It's gonna be beautiful. The pan set does come with cups. I forgot the cup. I don't know how I forgot the cup, but I have. No biggie. I'm only here for a night. And there we go. A £25, no, under £25 cook set, including gas. Tastes just the same as if it was done on an expensive stove. Beauty. That is so good. obviously an important part of a cook set for me, is does it clean up okay after it's been used? And this has been brutalized. Chorizo, cheese. So how does it brew? I've just soaked it for about a minute in hot water and fairy. A couple of burn marks, but it's going to be a winner. Is it going to last for ages and ages and ages? I think it is. I think it's going to be fine. It's going to be fine. It is going to be fine. That's going to come up fine. This one just had water and ravioli in it. Yeah, nothing wrong. $14.99. Absolute winner.